So let's set up an AI agent that you can literally text from your phone, no coding required. If you don't know about OpenClaw is an open source AI agent framework that lets AI models actually do stuff, not just be a chatbot. And a quick note before we start, don't set this up on your personal computer. You want a dedicated computer, and that's why people get Mac Minis, or if you don't want to spend money, you can just get a $5 a month VPS, which is basically a cloud computer, to run it securely. And I've been running this agent for the past week, so stay tuned for some use cases that I've used it for by the end of the video. First, you're going to set up 2 accounts on your Mac Mini, an admin account for you and a standard account for your bot. This way, if your bot goes rogue, it can touch your files. On the admin account, enable screen sharing, remote logging, and set a static IP. Install Homebrew, then install Node, log out of your admin and into your bot account. Now, go to GitHub, search OpenClaw, copy the install command, paste it in your terminal. When it asks for your AI model, you'll need an API key, and your regular ChatGPT subscription won't work here. I use Anthropic, but you can also set up your Max account if you have a Max account, and it's way cheaper than just setting up your Claude API key, which I've found that it works really well with my Max account, and it's way cheaper. For the interface, I connected it to Discord and iMessage, so I can literally message my agent from my phone anytime that I want, and it runs 24/7. Then you select your skills, finish the install, message your bot, get your pairing code, run the command, and that's it. Now, for the use cases, I've used my agent to schedule and send messages on my behalf, find and reach out to leads, monitor things and alert me when something changes, and create and post content, which is really crazy. But honestly, the biggest one for me has been email, sending campaigns to a lot of people and having each email actually customized for that specific person. And because he knows my tone, how I write, how I type, I added a skill specifically for sounding human, and you genuinely can't tell if it's AI, which is kind of scary, but he's really good at it, and it all while he's doing something else. So if you want to follow along to talk more about my use cases with OpenClaw, save this video and like.